Our job is not to be the smartest person in the room. Our job is not to deliver information. The website does that, okay? ChatGPT is smarter than we are, all right? Our job is to allow that person to talk and talk as much as they want. And if we just allow them to keep talking, oftentimes they talk themselves right over, through, and under objections, complaints, things that would have stopped the deal because they'll solve their own damn problems, right? So just wait 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before you start talking, if that person's still talking, let them keep talking. They'll be like, it was the greatest conversation I ever had. The more they talk, the better we are. Not in the manipulative, not because we're gaining information to manipulate them, because they're working themselves through something here, right? So the more we can learn that power of the pause, the better off we're going to be.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.